Ever spent hours manually tweaking email campaigns while your CRM data sits siloed in Salesforce or HubSpot? For designers and front end developers, juggling dynamic content blocks, behavior triggered automations, and real time analytics feels like herding cats, especially when deadlines loom. This skill changes the game. Imagine syncing CRM data in real time with JSON APIs, building responsive email templates with drag and drop components, automating workflows via REST hooks, and visualizing engagement metrics in live dashboards. Say goodbye to all nighters wrestling MailChimp's drag and drop nightmare. Whether you're a UX pro, a React developer, or an email marketing ninja, this tool turns chaos into clickable magic. Here's what's inside the building email marketing automation skill. First, seamless CRM integrations pull data from Salesforce, HubSpot, or custom databases using OAuth 2.0 tokens. Then, drag and drop content blocks let you design responsive email templates with React like components. Behavior triggered workflows activate via JSON webhooks. Think cart abandonment emails sent within 10 minutes. Real time analytics dashboards visualize KPIs like CTR and conversion rates with chart.js. Plus, pre built code templates handle A B testing, GDPR compliance headers, and dynamic personalization tags. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation, it's your new superpower. Installing the building email marketing automation skill takes one command: npx quanta skills add building email marketing automation. That's it. You'll download the complete skill, expert level guidance, battle tested code templates for Node.js and Python, and integration playbooks for HubSpot's API. No config files, no dependency hell. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically, and your AI assistant now knows how to debug JSON payloads for transactional emails, optimize send times with cron jobs, and map CRM fields to dynamic content blocks. It even writes better subject lines than your over-caffeinated intern. Welcome to faster, smarter email campaigns.